welcome back to my channel. I hope you're keeping well and safe. Today I am back with my February beauty box unboxing. So I have received my beauty box this month and I have received it in this recyclable grey packaging. Now it is a Lookfantastic beauty box, but I was expecting a glossy box. I'm not quite sure what's happened there. Regardless of which box it is, let's open it up together. So as I mentioned, that this is the box that it comes in. When you open it up, there is no additional blocks like we received last year. These are all the products I have received this month. So we haven't received a paper copy of the Edit magazine, it's on a QR code here, so let's scan this. So this is what the Edit magazine looks like, and as usual we have the contents, we'll have the editor's note, and then some information and all the products we are expecting to receive in this month's box. And there's also some beauty tips. They've also given us some information on why they've changed the box and packaging of this beauty box, and on here it says, we went digital with our magazine last month as part of our first change of the year using 100% recyclable pulp paper for our QR code. Over the last year we've been thinking about our wider purpose and what this means to you, our fantastic subscribers and community. We want to inspire you to think outside of the box literally and make a conscious effort to hold ourselves accountable to a more sustainable practice. The second being our package goal. To create less waste, to do this we will be switching from dyed cardboard boxes to sustainably sourced boxes, making them easier for you to recycle and partnering with more trees to plant. To plant a tree for each annual the box subscription this month. Through a multi-user and thoughtful approach to our subscription proposition and beauty regime, do we want our boxes to remain premium, reachable and affordable. We know we aren't perfect, but we're taking small but actionable steps to empower you with transparency and choice. That's where the theme of the box comes in. By giving it a bit more love to the way in which we think about beauty and the way we operate, we have a unique opportunity to inspire positive change in our industry by being more conscious in our decisions. The campaign also reflects the love we share with friends, family and others in the month of Valentine's. Now I'm going to skip reading the editor's note because I find that if you go over to their website it gives a really good brief summary of what the box is all about. So I've just headed over to the Lookfantastic website, and on here it says, give a little more love to your hair, skin, body and the planet this February with our monthly box. Our new sustainably sourced and 100% recyclable box features 6 skincare and beauty products that will give you the care and attention you deserve. From complexion quenching saviours including the Grown Alchemist Age Repair Intensive Moisturiser and Monu Beauty Balm, to the Lock Loving Banana Leave-In Conditioner from Umberto Gianni. This edit contains everything you need to give yourself some quality TLC. What's more, we've got your Valentine glam sorted with a nude stick mini magnetic luminous eye colour, the balm staining lip and cheek stain, so Eco Cosmetic sponge, and so much more. Worth over £96, this is a box you're sure to fall head over heels for, and then it lists out all the products, so let's begin. So the first product we have received is this Nude Sticks Mini Magnetic Luminous Eye Colour in Dew Wrap, which is 2.4 grams and worth £21.41. So this is an eyeshadow pencil which you use all over your lids, and you can use it as an acting primer. You just apply it all over your lids, and if you want to add a cut crease, you can add a cut crease with a deeper shade or apply your eye makeup however you wish to. Now I'm just going to swatch this on. It is like this shimmery nude. Next we have the Balm Staining Lip and Cheek Stain, which is 1.6ml worth £6.64. So this is supposed to add a sort of colour to your lips and cheeks for a healthy glow. It doesn't actually have a shade on there, so I'm assuming it's going to come out like a light pink, but let's swatch it. So it is like a pinky red, and when it has come on quite bright on my skin, I'm actually quite tempted to try it on my lip. So I'm currently wearing this lip gloss by Pixie. I'm going to remove it and replace it with this lip stain. You can instantly see the difference between my top and bottom lip. So I've applied this on my lips and I love the colour it gives. It just looks so natural and it looks like I'm not wearing anything on my lips, which I absolutely love. So I'm going to leave it on for the rest of this video to see how it wears. Now referring back to my hands, I wiped this with a cotton pad and this hasn't budged, look. Next we have the Monu Skin Beauty Balm, which is 50ml worth £42.95. So this is a balm that boosts skin's radiance and it's suitable for all skin types. And on here it says, to use, apply a small amount to clean dry skin using a pressing action applied to face and neck over the top of your moisturiser every morning or evening after cleansing and toning. So let's pump it up and see what it's all about. This has a very citrus smell to it, and I'm just going to double check the ingredients because I'm pretty sure it has orange in there. Yeah, so it's got orange flower oil, orange oil and neroli. It has absorbed in my skin pretty quick, so I do look forward to trying this one out. The next product we have is a Grow Alchemist Age Repair Moisture 12ml worth £14. So this is a moisturiser, and in the Edit magazine it states that this is a botanical powerhouse. This high performance moisturiser hydrates, plumps and protects the skin. Infused with white tea extract and bioactive phytopeptides, fine lines and wrinkles appear diminished, promoting a youthful glow. How to use: begin at the centre of the face, neck and décolletage, applying in a smooth upward and outward motions. Okay, so it is fully sealed, so let's pop the seal. Got it. Running out of space here, I'm going to apply it on my wrist. Just a tiny amount. It is a very thick moisturiser. As you can see, I still have some cream left, so I'm just going to go around in circular motions, trying to absorb it into my skin. It has a very unique smell to it, and I'm not sure if I can probably wear it with this smell on my face all day. The next product we have is the Umberto Giannini Banana Butter Leave-In Conditioner, which is 100ml worth £5.75. So on here it states Banana Butter Repair and Restore Leave-In Conditioner Styling Butter for dry, frizzy and textured hair. And it says it's nice, and it says it's 97% natural. And then on the back of here it says repair and restore the bounce, shine and manageability to textured and frizzy hair. Formulated without silicones, a nourishing and moisturising leave-in conditioning styling butter is your new wonder product to help repair, strengthen and defrizz. With banana, shea butter, coconut oil, kabuki butter and Brazil nut oil. How to use: smooth through wet hair and glide through with your fingers and detangle and coat every hair. Do not rinse. Can be used as a styling butter or can be paired with another one of your favourite Umberto Giannini styling products. This has a really strong banana smell. It smells like those foamy banana sweets that you can get from stores. It is thick and clunky. I'm just going to apply it on the other side. It is thick and clunky and it has like a cream texture. I wonder if it leaves your hair smelling like a banana. Interesting. And finally we have the So Eco Cosmetic Sponge, which is worth £6. So this is what the sponge looks like. It is very squidgy and it feels quite dense at the minute because it is dry. It has a flat bottom, so it's great to apply things all over your face. And then it has like a small point, but again, I don't think it'll reach the under eye as well as a small beauty blender would. Like any of the sponges, you can use this wet or dry, and you can apply liquids, powders and creams all over your face with this. Here it is. So guys, this is the end of my unboxing. These were all the products I received this month, and on the Lookfantastic website it states the beauty box was worth over £96, and I have recalculated this and I came to a sum of £96.75. So this brings me to the end of my tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys found it useful, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Take care for now, and I shall see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!